All right, crypto fam, buckle up. Today we're diving deep into the wild world of altcoins, specifically the hidden gems that could potentially 100x in 2025. That's right, we're talking life-changing gains but also high risks. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and let's get ready to uncover some projects that could be the next Solana, the next Polygon, or even the next Shiba Inu. But before we start, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Crypto is risky, so always do your own research. Now let's jump in. So, why are we even talking about 100x altcoins for 2025? Well, history gives us some clues. Every crypto bull cycle, think 2017-2021, has seen altcoins explode when Bitcoin starts to cool off. Bitcoin pumps, sets the stage, and then altcoins steal the show. With Bitcoin ETFs pulling in billions and institutional money flooding in, 2025 could be a massive year for the crypto market. Plus, we're seeing crazy innovation in DeFi, GameFi, AI, and Web3. These are the sectors where small-cap altcoins thrive. Low market caps mean more room for growth, but also more risk. Today, we're focusing on projects with strong fundamentals, real-world use cases, and that special X factor that could send them to the moon. Ready to meet them? Before we reveal the coins, let's talk about how we're picking these hidden gems. Not every altcoin is a winner. In fact, most aren't. Here's what we're looking for. Strong fundamentals. Does the project solve a real problem? Is the tech legit? Low market cap. Coins with market caps under $100 million have more room to grow. Active community. A passionate community can drive hype and adoption. Team and roadmap. Is the team credible? Do they have a clear plan for 2025? Market trends. Is the project in a hot sector like AI, DeFi, or gaming? We've scoured pre-sales, white papers, and X posts to find projects that check these boxes. And trust me, we've got some bangers. Let's dive into the first one. First up, JetBolt, ticker JBOLT. This is an up-and-coming Layer 1 blockchain that's making waves in the pre-sale phase. Why do we love it? JetBolt is tackling two big problems: high gas fees and boring staking. JetBolt offers gas-free transactions, which is a game-changer for developers and users. Imagine a blockchain where you don't have to pay $50 just to swap tokens. Plus, their staking system is interactive. You get rewarded for engaging with the platform, not just locking up tokens. They've also got an AI-powered news dashboard that sorts crypto updates by sentiment, helping you stay ahead of the market. Here's the kicker. JetBolt's pre-sale has already sold over 350 million tokens, and the price is climbing daily. With a market cap still under $50 million, this is the kind of low-cap gem that could explode if it hits major exchanges in 2025. The X factor. JetBolt's focus on user engagement and zero gas fees puts it in the same league as Solana was in its early days. If they deliver on their roadmap, we could see 50x or even 100x returns. Risks. It's still in pre-sale, so there's execution risk. Always check the team's progress before jumping in. Want to learn more? Check out JetBolt's pre-sale at their official website, link in the description. Let's move to coin number 2. Next up, Qubetics, ticker TICS. This project is a DeFi powerhouse that's solving a massive problem: blockchain interoperability. Right now, moving assets between chains like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain is a headache. Qubetics makes it seamless with their non-custodial multi-chain wallet and integration with 1inch's DEX aggregator. But what really caught my eye is their decentralized VPN, a secure, censorship-resistant way to browse the internet. With governments cracking down on privacy, this is a use case that could attract millions of users. Their pre-sale has already raised over $12.9 million with 20,000 holders and counting. Analysts are hyped about Qubetics. They predict the TICS token could hit 0.25 by the end of pre-sale. That's a 240% return from its current price of 0.0733. Post-launch, some even see it hitting $5 or $10, which would be a 6,700% plus ROI. The X factor. Qubetics combines DeFi utility with real-world privacy solutions. If they nail their mainnet launch in Q2 2025, this could be a top 50 coin. Risks. Interoperability is a crowded space, so they'll need to stand out. Check their white paper for details. Link below. Let's keep the momentum going with coin number 3. Alright gamers, this one's for you. Meet the Last Dwarfs, ticker TLD. This is a GameFi project that's building a fully decentralized gaming economy on the TON blockchain. Think Axie Infinity meets World of Warcraft, but with staking rewards and a launchpad for new crypto projects. What makes TLD special? Their gamified launchpad lets players farm resources, battle enemies, and stake TLD to access high-potential pre-sales. It's not just a game, it's an investment platform. Since launching, TLD has attracted 300,000 users and 50-plus partnerships in the TON ecosystem. Their pre-sale is still in its early stages, with TLD priced at just $0.85. Analysts predict a 400% gain by the final pre-sale round and up to 1,000% post-launch. The X Factor. GameFi is exploding, and TLD's blend of gaming and investing could make it a fan favorite. Plus, the TON blockchain is super fast and cheap, giving them an edge. Risks. GameFi projects need strong community retention. Make sure to join their Telegram or Discord to gauge the vibe. Want in? The TLD presale link is in the description. Now, let's wrap up with our final coin. Last but not least, Dawgz AI, ticker DAGZ. This one's for the meme coin lovers who also want some serious tech. Dawgz AI is an AI-powered trading platform for meme coins built on Ethereum. Their DAGZ token powers the ecosystem, and it's still in presale at just 0.04. Here's why it's hot. Dawgz AI uses AI to execute profitable meme coin trades, taking the guesswork out of the wild meme market. Plus, it's got that viral meme vibe. Think Shiba Inu meets Reddit dog memes. Their presale has raised over $3 million, and the community is buzzing on X. Ask Perplexity mentions Dawgz AI as a top pick for 2025. The X Factor. Meme coins thrive on hype, and Dawgz AI combines that with real utility. If the AI delivers consistent profits, this could be a 100x moonshot. Risks. Meme coins are super volatile, and the AI tech needs to prove itself. Dig into their white paper before you FOMO in. Check out the Dawgz AI presale, link below. Alright, let's wrap this up. There you have it. 4 hidden altcoins with the potential to 100x in 2025. JetBolt, Qubetics, the Last Dwarfs, and Dawgz AI. These projects are in hot sectors, have low market caps, and strong communities. But let's be real, crypto is a roller coaster. For every 100x winner, there are dozens of duds. Here's how to play it smart. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread it across a few projects. Use stop losses. Protect your capital by setting automatic sell points. Research. Read white papers, join communities, and follow the team's updates. Only invest what you can lose. Crypto is high risk, high reward. 2025 could be a wild year for altcoins, and these projects are worth keeping on your radar. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, and let's start a discussion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto crew, and subscribe for more deep dives. I'll be back next week with another banger. Until then, stay safe, stack those sats, and let's chase those gains together. All the presale links and white papers are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll catch you in the next one.